everyone. Welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast to help you learn real English for real life. If you are new here, hi, I am Mia.
And I am Leo. Today we have a super useful episode for you. We are going to the beauty salon and the barbershop. So if you want to learn English for a haircut, for a beard trim, for a new style, stay with us.
Before we start, do not forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants to improve their English. It really helps our channel grow.
All right, let's get into it. Imagine this. It is Saturday morning. You look in the mirror and you think, wow, my hair needs help. You need a haircut. You need a hero. But the hero is the barber or the hairdresser.
Today we will show you how to talk in English at a beauty salon and at a barbershop. We will use simple words and phrases, you will listen to small dialogues, and we will explain everything so you can feel confident when you go to get your hair done.
First, let's talk about some key words. Beauty salon is a place where people usually go to get their hair done, get their nails done, maybe get makeup, a facial, many different beauty services.
Barbershop is usually for men's haircuts and beard trims. Of course, some women also go to the barber, but the main idea is short hair, beards, and simple cuts.
The person who cuts your hair in a beauty salon is usually called a hairdresser or a stylist. The person in a barbershop is called a barber.
Now listen carefully to some useful words. Haircut. This is when someone cuts your hair. Hairstyle. This is how your hair looks. For example, long, short, curly, straight, with bangs.
Trim. A trim is a small haircut. You do not change your style. You just cut a little bit. Maybe the ends are dry or damaged. You say, I just want a trim.
Layers. Layers are when the hair has different lengths. The top is shorter, the bottom is longer. Many people like layered hair because it has more movement and shape.
Bangs. In British English, people say fringe, but in American English, we say bangs. Bangs are the hair on your forehead.
We also have shampoo and conditioner. At the salon, the hairdresser may wash your hair before the cut. Would you like a shampoo? Means, do you want us to wash your hair?
Now for the barbershop. Some useful words are beard, mustache, and clean shave. A beard trim is when the barber makes your beard shorter and neat. A clean shave is no beard at all.
Another important word is appointment. An appointment is a time you reserve to see the hairdresser or barber. For example, I have an appointment at 3 p.m.
And walk-in means you come without an appointment. Many barbershops accept walk-ins, so they might say, we accept walk-ins or we are walk-in only.
Great. Now that we have some vocabulary, let's do a little story. First, we go with me to the beauty salon. Then we go with Leo to the barbershop. Listen to the dialogues and try to understand the situation.
Remember, this is beginner-friendly English. We will speak clearly and slowly, and we will repeat important phrases in a natural way. Let's go.
Okay, story time. I wake up and look at my hair. It is a disaster. It is long. It is dry. The ends are split. I say, no, I need a beauty salon today, so I call a beauty salon. Hello, I would like to make an appointment for a haircut.
The receptionist answers. Hello, sure. What day and what time?
On Saturday at 2 p.m., please.
Okay, we have an opening at 2 p.m. What is your name?
My name is Mia.
Great, Mia. Do you want just a haircut or a haircut and blow dry?
A haircut and blow dry, please.
Perfect. We will see you on Saturday at 2.
Thank you. Bye.
In this small phone dialogue, we learned some useful phrases. I would like to make an appointment. This is a very polite way to say, I want to book a time. We have an opening means we have free time at that hour.
Haircut and blow dry. A blow dry is when the stylist dries your hair with a hairdryer and styles it. Many salons ask if you want just a cut or a cut and blow dry.
Now it is Saturday at 2 p.m. Mia goes to the salon.
I walk in and go to the front desk. Hi, I have an appointment at 2. My name is Mia.
The receptionist smiles. Hi, Mia. Yes, we have you here. Please have a seat. Your stylist will be with you in a moment.
So I sit and wait for a few minutes. Then my stylist comes.
Hi, you must be Mia. I'm Anna, your stylist today. Come with me, please.
Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too. So what are we doing today?
I would like a trim, please. Not too short, just the ends. And maybe some soft layers.
No problem. How much do you want off? About this much?
Maybe a little less. I want to keep the length.
Got it. Do you want bangs?
No bangs, thanks. Just layers.
Okay. And would you like a shampoo before the cut?
Yes, please.
Great. Come to the sink and I will wash your hair.
In this part, there are many useful questions. What are we doing today? This is a very common question from a stylist or barber. It means, what do you want?
How much do you want off means, how much hair do you want me to cut? The stylist may also use fingers to show the length, like this much, so you can say a little less or a little more.
I want to keep the length means I do not want my hair much shorter. I want almost the same length, just cleaner.
Would you like a shampoo is another very common question. If you want it, you say yes, please. If you do not want it, you say no, thank you, just the haircut.
After the shampoo, Anna starts the haircut. So Anna, how long have you been a stylist?
Oh, I have been a stylist for 8 years. I love my job.
That is nice. Do you think short hair would look good on me?
I think you would look great with a shoulder-length cut. But for today, we can just do a trim and layers, no problem.
Thank you. Maybe next time I will try something new.
Now I am going to blow dry your hair. Do you want it straight or wavy?
Wavy, please.
Okay, wavy it is.
After she finishes, she gives me a mirror.
How does it look?
Wow, I love it. It looks so healthy.
I am glad you like it.
Thank you so much.
In this conversation, we see some small talk. Hairdressers and barbers often talk with you while they work. They ask questions, and you can ask simple questions back. It is a great moment to practice English.
You can ask, how long have you been a stylist? Or, do you like my hair type? Or, what do you recommend? These are simple and friendly.
And the stylist may ask, how is your day going? Or, do you have any plans after this? Just answer with short, easy sentences.
For example, my day is good, thanks. Or, I am going to meet some friends. Or, I am going to a party tonight.
Now, let's go to the barber shop with me. My hair is a mess. My beard is wild. I look like I live in a forest. Not cute. So I walk into a barber shop. Hi, do you have time for a walk-in?
The barber looks at the schedule. Hi, yes, we can take you now. What would you like today?
A haircut and a beard trim, please.
Sure. Take a seat.
I sit in the barber chair. The barber puts a cape over me to protect my clothes.
So how do you want your hair?
Short on the sides, a bit longer on top, please.
Okay. Do you know your clipper number? Like a number 2 or number 3 on the sides?
Yes, number 2 on the sides and number 4 on top, please.
Got it. And what about the beard?
Just a trim. I want it shorter and clean, but not too short.
No problem. I will clean up the neck as well.
In this barbershop dialogue, we have some important phrases. Short on the sides, longer on top is a classic request for men's haircuts.
Many barbers use clipper numbers. A smaller number means shorter hair. For example, number 1 is very short, number 2 is short, number 3 is a bit longer, and so on.
Clean up the neck means the barber makes the back of your neck smooth with no extra hair. It looks very fresh.
The barber continues the conversation. So do you want any product in your hair? Like gel or wax?
A little wax, please. Nothing too shiny.
Okay, a matte wax then.
Great.
How do you like your sideburns? Long, short, or faded?
Short, please.
And do you want me to line up your beard?
Yes, please. I want a clean line on the cheeks.
No problem.
Product is a general word for things like gel, wax, mousse, or spray. So the barber might ask, do you want any product? You can say, yes, a little wax, or no product, thanks.
Matte means not shiny, so matte wax makes your hair look natural, not wet. Sideburns are the hair in front of your ears.
Line up your beard means make the edges of the beard very straight and clean. Many people like that sharp look.
After the haircut and beard trim, the barber shows Leo the result. Okay, all done. What do you think?
Wow, this looks great. Thank you. It is exactly what I wanted.
I am happy you like it.
Then I go to the front desk to pay. How much is it?
That will be $25 for the haircut and $10 for the beard trim, so $35 total.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
I pay with my card. Is tip included?
No, tip is not included.
Okay, I will leave a tip. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
In many countries, especially in the United States and Canada, people give a tip to the hairdresser or barber. A common tip is 15 to 20% of the price. So if the haircut is $20, you might give $3 or $4 as a tip.
Useful questions here are how much is it or what is the total and can I pay by card? If you pay with cash, you can say, can I pay in cash?
Now let's review some of the most useful phrases from today. Listen and try to remember the meaning from the story. I would like to make an appointment.
Do you have time for a walk-in?
I have an appointment at 2.
What are we doing today?
I would like a trim, please.
I want to keep the length.
Do you want bangs?
Would you like a shampoo?
Short on the sides, longer on top?
Number 2 on the sides and number 4 on top.
Just a beard trim, please.
How much do you want off?
How does it look?
I love it. It looks great.
How much is it?
Can I pay by card?
Is tip included?
These sentences are very common and very natural. If you can use them, you will feel much more confident at the beauty salon or barbershop.
And do not worry about your accent. Your hairdresser or barber just wants to understand you. If you speak slowly and use these simple phrases, it will be fine.
One last tip. If you are not sure about the haircut, you can show a photo. You can say, I want my hair like this, and show a picture on your phone.
You can also say, not too short, please, or I don't want it shorter than this, and point to your hair. Gesture is your friend.
Okay, let's finish with a quick imaginary scene, a very short one to help you remember.
I enter a salon. Hi, I have an appointment at 3. I would like a haircut and a blow dry.
The stylist smiles. Sure, what are we doing today?
Just a trim, please. I want to keep the length, but I want some layers.
No problem. Do you want a shampoo?
Yes, please.
Now the barber shop. Hi, do you have time for a walk-in?
Yes, we can take you now. What would you like?
Short on the sides, longer on top, and a beard trim, please.
Got it. Do you want any product?
A little wax, please. Nothing too shiny.
Perfect.
And that is it. Simple, clear, and useful English for your next haircut.
If you enjoyed this episode of Pop Off English, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants to learn English with fun, real-life situations.
Tell us in the comments about your last haircut. Was it amazing? Was it terrible? Did you cry? We want to know.
Thank you for listening, and see you in the next episode of Pop Off English.
Bye for now.